She a bad bitch, money real line like elastic, and they all gon' try, can't have it. She up on the table, she wildin', well, yeah, we can have it. Boy, walking cause traffic. It's a Friday, so we automatic. Have a good night, then rewind it, well, yeah.
Let's go, boy, in there. It looks sick. Four-wheeler's gonna look like. Let's go. We're gonna go ride this right now with these lights on. We look like a cop, bro. Let's go. Back one shut off on me, bro. It sucks. At least the front one is holding up on me, so shout out to my brother for getting me the back in the present. Guys, thank you for watching this. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it and think these lights are cool. Four-wheeler comes back month, so, or is going to get fixed, but yeah, hope you all are enjoying these videos, a new schedule. See y'all later.
I used to be 14 in the crib, trying to be a trap nigga. Now I got me some floor seats at the game, trying to go bat nigga. Got me feeling like Spike Lee on the wood, smoking on pat nigga. Drunk texting my wifey, so I know I'll get a text back nigga. 45 on my white tee, used to have this shit up on the dash nigga. Got a lot on my psyche, on my mind, I ain't talking hats nigga. Like I said on that Syfy.